Why vitamin B12 is so important? Most people don't know this. 90% people feel tired, weak, foggy, but still they don't know they are low in a vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 is one of the most important vitamin for our energy production, metabolism, fat loss, brain health, and nervous function. But the truth is B12 deficiency is extremely common, especially in India, and especially for those people who are vegetarian and don't eat animal-based food. First is boost your energy production. Your body use B12 to turn the food you eat into a usable energy. If your B12 is low, your body cannot literally produce ATP properly. That means fatigue, weakness, and low stamina. Second, support your nervous system. B12 protect your nerves by forming a myelin shield. If you have a low B12, you will get a feeling like a tingling, numbness, pinching, needling on your fingertips, your toes, and poor balance. Third, improve your brain function. Low B12 cause memory loss, brain fog, poor focus, and slow thinking. Fourth, help in a red blood cell production. Without B12, your body cannot make healthy red blood cells. So that's mean low RBC equal to low oxygen delivery, and you will consistent feel low and tired. Number 5 is important for your metabolism and fat loss. B12 help convert fat and carbs into a energy. If your B12 is low, your metabolism slow down, your fat loss become more harder. Symptoms of low B12 is very sneaky. People think I'm feeling tired because of work. I'm feeling dizzy because I'm stressed. I have a no energy because I didn't sleep well. But the actual reason is your low B12. Save this reel, share it with your friend, and don't forget to follow me for the part 2 where I'm going to explain what exactly cause vitamin B12 deficiency.